What's going on, guys? Back again with another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing my second watch from the Loreo brand. So I bought this watch on AliExpress again during their mid-year sale. I got it for $53. Initially it's $63 I believe, but with the mid-year sale I got a $10 discount. So the main reason why I wanted to get it is because I wanted to upgrade my Submariner Homage. I previously had a Tavis automatic watch, so I decided to upgrade because this one has a better movement, and the sapphire crystal obviously is going to be much better than whatever the Tavis had. I don't even think it had mineral crystal because it was so cheap. But yeah, the movement is a Seagull movement, which I've had it for about 2 days, and the accuracy has been running pretty well. It has been running about plus 5 seconds a day, which is really not bad at all for a watch that costs less than 60 bucks. Water resistance up to 200 meters. I haven't actually swam with it, but I have seen other YouTubers claim that they have gone swimming with it and they've had no issues. But then again, you know, for the price, I don't know about diving deep underwater up to 200 meters. I probably wouldn't risk it. But a good looking watch nevertheless. It does have hacking, and when you're winding it, the crown feels pretty good on your fingers here. Put it back in. The bezel is unidirectional, and it feels good. Not the best rotating bezel out there, but definitely does do the job well. It doesn't have a sunburst effect like my Tavis, but you know, I think it's actually looks better. It has a much sleeker look to it. Polished center links with brushed end links. There's the clasp. Let me show you guys the back of the movement. There's the rotor doing its thing. I actually like how they put the Loreo branding on there. With my other Loreo watch, it's the rotor doesn't actually have the Loreo brand on there. But yeah, the movement, like I said, it's been running about plus 5 seconds a day, which is really not that bad. It actually has a better accuracy than my first Loreo watch, which is kind of surprising because this watch is actually cheaper than the other one that I reviewed. Very good looking watch. Let me put it on my wrist so you guys can see how it looks. The case diameter is 40 millimeters, which I believe is perfect for my 7-inch wrist. Alrighty guys, well, hope you guys enjoyed the review. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this watch, and I will see you next time.